welcome to our channel
Science and Fun. Today we're going to show you an experiment about light refraction.
Refraction of the light we are going to show you by using a pencil and an arrow.
Let's get started. The things we need are
glass of water, a pencil and arrow drawn on a piece of paper.
Let's see what happens if we place this pencil in this glass of water. Look, it's like I cut it into half. It's so amazing.
If I keep this arrow behind this glass of water in the opposite direction, you can see this arrow in the reverse direction.
You can see that.
Ooh, this is very, very magical.
I can see it. Let's try these small arrows. Then this one.
Just keep it here.
Can you see it? Now? Let's try refraction of light means bending of light rays. This pencil can bend because of the bending light rays like this.
The principle of this experiment is refraction occurs when light travels from one medium into another. In this experiment, light is traveling from air to water, then water to air before reaching to our eye. Because of that, image appears like reverse direction.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.
See you in the next video. Bye.